Hi, I'm Paul Clark from Redmoon Software, and today I'm going to demo to you Document Vault for Jira. Document Vault allows you to restrict access to attachments. Normally in Jira, attachments are visible to everyone who can see the issue, but with Document Vault, you can specify user groups or roles to allow only a small group of users to see the attachments. That way you don't get users wanting to look over stuff they shouldn't be, or customers, and you can also control who uploads and who comments on those particular documents. In an issue, Document Vault can either show up as a panel up here below description or down by the comment tabs down the bottom. For the Vault panel, you have a plus button for adding new attachments. You have a comment plus button for adding standalone comments. And you have a drop-down menu which allows you to download all the attachments. So just add an attachment here. You can either click on the Add Files button or drag and drop a file in. And add an optional comment for it. Now, if you hover over it, you'll see that buttons pop up. We have a upload button for update and replace attachment. So if you have a new version of that design document here, then you can replace the existing one. So for this, it doesn't have to be the same name. And see, it just replaces the existing file. You can also edit the comment by itself, or you can delete it. You also, as I mentioned earlier, have a standalone standalone comment button. So customer's ID equals, this way you can put in information that only those people who see the documents can see. And it appears down here. You can edit that and you can delete it. Now on the screen here, you can also see attachments. It is possible with this plugin to remove all traces of existing attachments. I'll describe that in just a sec in the admin section. In the project panel, you have an icon here for getting to the search screen. This will allow you to search over a particular project for all Document Vault attachments. So if I just click on search to get everything, you'll see that we just have one attachment at the moment. I can click on the link to navigate there, download the file by clicking on the actual name, and it just gives me information about what's been uploaded. In the admin section, underneath System, you have a Document Vault tab. This allows you to specify who has access to Document Vault and some other configuration properties. As you can see here, we have the first section here for full Document Vault functionality. You can either specify groups, user groups that is, or project roles, or both. Any users in either those roles or groups will have full access to add attachments, add comments, view attachments, download them, etc. The next section we have read-only access. This is user groups and roles that allow the user to see attachments and see comments, but not to add them. They can still download them as well. You can also specify underneath this section who else has access to see the attachment. You can say that the reporter or the assignee, the creator, all have access, and that way you're not having to put these people into a particular role or group. You can also specify whether you want to see the attachments in an issue underneath the details section or as a tab in the issue. Next, we have a set of radio buttons here that allows you to show Jira attachments, which is the default setting. You'll see normal Jira attachments, and you can upload them, do all your normal stuff with Jira attachments. Plus, you'll have Document Vault. The next option allows you to see all the Jira attachments on the screen, but you can't upload anything new. So basically, you've disabled it for the future, but Document Vault will still appear. Lastly, you have the option to disable Jira attachments and only show Document Vault panel. That way, attachments will never appear. You will never get any options for Jira attachments. Instead, those users who have access will see Document Vault, and inside Document Vault, they will also see Jira attachments. Next, we have the extension filter. You can either blacklist or whitelist. So if I wanted PNGs only, then I could just add in PNGs here, or if I wanted everything but PNGs, then I can put PNG in there. Next, we have an option to activate in projects. This allows you to take away the fact that Document Vault is there for all projects, and in the particular project configuration inside the project's admin section, you can specify that this project will use Document Vault. Next, we have email notifications. So that way, when an attachment is added, then you can specify whether all users will see, all users with access to Document Vault will see it, or whether it's read-only users will see it, or both. And lastly, we have the show comments. This is in regard to the standalone comments. You remember the sort of comment icon with the plus in the middle. This will either show or remove that from all the screens. Under Project Admin, you'll see that there's a Document Vault tab. This allows you to override particular things. You can specify who has access to Document Vault within this particular project. This will supersede anything specified in the admin screen underneath the System tab. As before, it's got groups and roles. Not much different there. You can also activate for particular projects only. So in the admin section, there is a activate for projects, in projects checkbox. If that is checked, then this section will appear, and you can individually activate projects. So that way, if you only want one project to have Document Vault, then you can do it this way. And if it is activated that way, then you can also specify for within this project which issue types that Document Vault applies to. So if I want it for bugs only, I can add it for bugs. That's it for the demo today. Hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Also, if you have any features that you may think are valuable for the product, please contact me as well. If we think it's good, then we'll add it for free. Thank you.